Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create moving ponytail in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection and we're going to go to the updo category and I'm going to choose this one and then I'm going to color it black. Okay, and the next one we're going to go to the straight category and choose this hairstyle and we're going to change the toggle to more animated. Okay, and to create animated ponytail, we're going to use the adjustment feature. So make sure you have unlocked the adjustment feature. Okay, we're going to use the adjustment feature for this animated hair. Okay, go to the adjustment and I'm going to go to the scale and then make it smaller like this. All right, and then we're going to go to the position and I'm going to set it like this. Okay, and we can set the Z position. Okay, and wait, let me set it again. Okay, then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks and it will create something like this. But wait guys, I'm still not satisfied, so I'm gonna change the position. I'm going to make it higher. All right, okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create moving ponytail in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.